Morning, sir.
Good morning. Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Ja, maar ik kom hier niet zo vaak, om heel eerlijk te zeggen. Ik kom hier niet zo vaak, duur.
Your Excellency, I have the honour and privilege to present to you the letter of credence addressed to you by His Majesty King Willem Alexander, appointing me as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Kingdom of the Netherlands to the Republic of Fiji. His Majesty has instructed me to convey to you his good wishes for the country and people of Fiji. I also present to Your Excellency the letter of recall of my predecessor, Ambassador Ari van der Wiel.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to accept your letters of credence, as well as the letters of recall of your predecessor. Please convey to His Majesty, the King of the Kingdom of the Netherlands, my personal best wishes and the best wishes for the government and the people of Fiji for his continued good health. I welcome you most warmly to Fiji, and I trust that you will have a very pleasant tour too. Welcome to Fiji.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you very much. Good to see you again, sir. Your Excellency, may I present my wife, Nick Bos,
Nice to meet you.
My pleasure
Thank
indeed.
you.
and the Honourable